Okay, y'all, so we're now going to review the taiga food web. You should only watch this if you've already drawn it yourself. Alright, so again, you're checking your answers, and I'm just going to talk through for the taiga food web. And yes, that is how you pronounce taiga. Okay, I'm going to start just like with the food chains by drawing the sun. That's the source of energy, sun. And the sun, energy to our producers. This plant called lupine has purple flowers, and you can see a picture of it in the slides. And there's also grasses. So these are of the producers found in the taiga. All right, the first consumer that we can see are gophers. So it says that the gophers eat both lupine and grasses. That means I want to draw them kind of in between the two so that I can easily draw those arrows in. So you should check and make sure, do you have, where you have gophers written down, grass and lupine giving energy to the gophers. Next, voles. Voles are like bigger than mice, between like mice and moles. And they only eat grass. So I would draw the vole kind of down here, close to the grass. I want you to check, do you have grass giving energy to the vole? Next up, I have chipmunks. Chipmunks also eat lupine and grass. So I would want a region in between the lupine and the grass. And it's totally okay if your arrows cross, or if your arrows go over each other. Remember, nature is complicated. It's not always going to fit into a clear model. So I have my chipmunks eating lupine, my chipmunks eating grass. Next up, I have coyotes. Coyotes eat voles and gophers. So maybe I would write them over here, kind of between the two. Coyote, getting its energy from gophers and voles. And barn owls. Since barn owls only eat the getting energy from the voles. And second to last are foxes. So foxes eat voles. Poor voles, they're getting eaten by a lot of things today. And chipmunks. Okay, so if I look back at my food web, barn owls, foxes, and coyotes are not eaten by any other organisms here. That means their bodies fall to the ground and be decomposed. Yeah, bacteria are our decomposers. So I have an arrow going from coyotes to bacteria, fox to bacteria, and barn owl to bacteria. Okay, before you do the independent practice, or I should say the last part where you choose your ecosystem, make sure you did this correctly. Go back and check your answers.